Pelucas, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited to show you guys this wig review on this beautiful unit sent to me from Sensationnel. Shout out to Sensationnel, they've been supporting my channel and thank God for them because now I have contact for you guys. So this unit is the Vice Unit 15 and this is a lace front wig with HD lace, pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs. I got this unit in the color T4 Chestnut Blonde, and in here I'm just showing you a little bit of the construction of the cap. It is the middle part wig. If you guys are interested in see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. I am gonna do a little bit of detailed video, so if you guys are interested in how I install most of my units, this is probably a good idea of how I do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for this channel if you guys are interested in more videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. It really does help my channel grow, and I am still a baby here, and I don't know why I'm still a baby here. I need to be up there with the big guys already. This is a lot of work, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and the content I put for you guys. Thanks so much. And again, this will be in chapters. If you don't like the little install part, go ahead and skip to the last chapter, you guys, to see what my final thoughts and final look is. Thanks again, and I love you guys so much.
Yeah. Better when you mad me. Yeah. You got better when you.
Quick tip for you guys, make sure to cut the lace in little zigzag motions, not in like a straight line. That aids and helps a lot in blending the lace to your scalp. Trust me.
Yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make
I decided to do baby hairs on this install. So this is how I do my baby hairs, you guys. I just, section off the little hairs that I choose to leave out, and then I trim them a little bit like as shown here. Then I go and get my Got To Be glue. This is the best glue for baby hairs. I just put some on straight on my forehead and just whoop, swoop, swoop, baby, until it looks how I want it. And that's basically it, you guys. Once I'm done with this side, then I go ahead and move to the other side to even it out.
But I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Yeah. Better when you mad me. Yeah. You.
Once I'm done with my baby hairs, then I go in with my concealer or foundation to try to make my parting space look more realistic. I apply it to the whole part and to my hairline to blend the HD lace and make it look more realistic.
I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl.
And for the final touch, you guys, I always go in with my Got To Be spray and my hot comb, and I try to bump up the edges a little bit to try to keep the hair a little bit off my face at the top. And this is really what pulls the whole look together, in my opinion. So I just do this until I like how it looks, and that's it, you guys.
No operation. Fuck my old bitches hating. Fuck your old niggas too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life.
You guys, so this is the final look for Vice Unit 15, and let me tell you guys, Sensationnel is doing the damn thing. That's why they're one of my favorite synthetic wig brands. And yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave some links to her in the description box. She comes in a lot of pretty colors. I think I'm gonna get the fusion one for real. This is a pretty cute unit. It barely tangles and it has minimal shedding. She is like a silky smooth texture. She is big head friendly. This unit is just gorgeous with the beach waist. I think it's perfect for spring season coming up, and I can't wait to order this in the fuchsia color. Stay tuned for that video, you guys, because I'm sure it's gonna be bomb.com. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it or found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and subscribe because I have more videos in store for you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. I love you guys. Be blessed. Bye.